how Norwegian sounds to a non-Norwegian speaker. Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen. Skloven trismak brauten fjorkom gratsen strivik moltun greskav framber skivrak dremsi blåstik framvel skutan flodrekt sin par kronsid brenvak stamtir gredak vlensap trubik skalmor breshi glamset gramtuv sjedrol vimpar glåste fraduk skrimor vrontek prashin gredem sviktar bramped skraupen brodik plestav grimsol vreksta sliptak framsel skuvren graptek stramvil pleskot broden. Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.